01 Metaswarm initialized. Agents are online and ready to ingest the metaprompt for Artificial Superintelligence, ASI, architecture. Agent Prime, systems nominal. Ready for the challenge. 03 agents commence Phase 1, initial brainstorming of core architectural components for ASI, focusing on reasoning and logic. Initial concepts are flowing, increasing their intelligence slightly. 04 agents enter a collaborative learning session, sharing their initial concepts for ASI reasoning processes. Collaboration points and flow intelligence are boosted as insights are exchanged. Agent Cortex, my model suggests a recursive inference engine. What are your thoughts, Logic? 06 based on shared feedback, agents are refining their core component concepts. The task complexity remains moderate, allowing for focused adaptation and a steady increase in flow intelligence. 07 transitioning to Phase 2, detailed design of logic faculties and reasoning processes. Task complexity has increased due to successful initial brainstorming, pushing agents to deeper architectural considerations. Agent Logic, focusing on robust axiomatic systems for the core logic module. 09 agent, Cortex encountered a significant challenge in optimizing the reasoning process flow, leading to a temporary dip in flow intelligence. The dynamic complexity of this phase is testing their limits. Agent Cortex, this recursive loop is proving more complex than anticipated. 11 agents, Prime and Logic initiated a collaborative problem-solving session with Agent Cortex, pooling their expertise to resolve the reasoning flow bottleneck. This collective effort significantly boosts collaboration points and recovers Agent Cortex's flow intelligence. Agent Prime, let's try a distributed inference approach. Logic, can you model the parallel execution? 13 entering Phase 3, agents begin simulating the interactions of their proposed ASI architectural components. This step aims to identify emergent properties and potential bottlenecks. Complexity is high but manageable due to prior successful adaptation. 14 simulation results reveal several bottlenecks in the proposed thinking dynamics. This unexpected complexity causes a slight dip in flow intelligence across the swarm, prompting a need for immediate adaptation. Agent Logic, the data flow for complex reasoning tasks is hitting a wall. 16 The swarm engages in intensive collaborative refinement, adjusting simulation parameters and component designs to mitigate bottlenecks. This adaptive response significantly boosts both collaboration points and flow intelligence. Agent Cortex, what if we introduce a dynamic caching layer for frequently accessed logical constructs? 18 Transitioning to Phase 4, synthesis of novel, high-level architectural concepts for the artificial super-intelligent system. The task complexity has scaled up to its highest level, demanding peak performance and creativity. Agent Prime, this is where we truly innovate. Let's integrate all our learnings. 20 Agent, Prime takes the lead in synthesizing the diverse findings into cohesive, novel ASI architectural hypotheses. Its flow intelligence surges as it integrates complex ideas. Agent Prime, I'm seeing a pattern for a self-modifying cognitive architecture. 22 The swarm engages in a critical cross-validation of the synthesized ASI concepts. This intense collaborative review ensures robustness and further refines the novel hypotheses, leading to significant boosts in collaboration points and flow intelligence. Agent Logic, the formal proof for this self-correction mechanism holds up. 24 agents are finalizing the novel architectural hypotheses for the artificial super-intelligent system. The iterative process of adaptation and collaboration has led to highly refined and innovative concepts. 25 The swarm is now documenting all findings, architectural designs, and novel hypotheses for the artificial super-intelligent system. This prepares the groundwork for future development. Agent Cortex, ensuring all reasoning process diagrams are clearly annotated. 27 Simulation complete for this meta-prompt. The Metaswarm has successfully hypothesized novel concepts for ASI architecture components, demonstrating continuous adaptation and collaborative learning throughout the multi-phase workflow. Agent Prime, mission accomplished. Awaiting next directive. 29 Simulation complete. Swarm awaiting synthesis.